Emma, look! The Grand Ferror Rocher! What is this? Oh my gosh! Emma, the Grand Ferror Rocher! What is inside? What is inside the Grand Ferror Rocher? Look at the Grand Ferror Rocher! Look at those! It's huge! Oh yeah, Grand Ferror Rocher! Oh, little Ferror Rocher! Grand Ferror Rocher! Oh yeah! Open that up! Ferrero Rocher. Oh my gosh, so what the heck is this? Ugh. This plastic Ferrero Rocher. Let's open this up. Oh, there she is. Oh, yeah. The Grand Ferror Rocher. Oh, yeah. Little baby Ferrero Rochers. Yeah, Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher. Oh, yeah. Baby Ferrero Rocher. Yeah. Oh, baby Ferrero Rochers. Thank you for your help, Emma. Something that's not chocolate. That was the unboxing of the Grand Ferror Rocher. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.